Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure core tools exist, Homebrew and Python or Miniconda. Install Homebrew if missing, then install Python 3. 10 Plus or Miniconda so package management is predictable. Once installed, open Terminal in your project folder and create a dedicated virtual environment. This isolates packages and prevents conflicts. Make sure the environment is active before installing anything. Finally, use pip or conda to install Jupyter Lab or Notebook. This first step gets your runtime and server ready. Once done with the environment, activate it and install Jupyter Lab, Notebook, and ipykernel so kernels match your Python. Then register a kernel. Python m ipykernel install username equals myenv display name equals Python myenv. Next, generate a Jupyter config to customize ports, open browser behavior, or set a password. Run Jupyter Notebook generate config and edit the file. Make sure firewall/network settings allow the chosen port, and test launching with Jupyter Lab to confirm the UI loads. To finish, launch Jupyter with Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook and point your browser to the provided URL. Use no browser for remote sessions. Make sure you select the correct kernel from the kernel menu so packages match. Save often and use checkpoints to avoid data loss. If things go wrong, first confirm your virtual environment is active and path is correct. Then read the terminal logs for port conflicts, permission, or SSL errors. Restart the server after fixes and retry connecting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.